অসীম রহস্য মাঝে নীরবে একাকী আপন মহিমা নিলয়ে মহাবেশে অনন্ত দেশকালে অগণ্য দীপ্ত লোকে তুমি আছো মোরে চাহি আমি চাহি তোমা পানে শব্দ সর্ব কোলাহল শান্তি মগ্ন চরাচর স্তব্ধ সর্ব কোলাহল শান্তি মগ্ন চরাচর দেখো তুমি তোমা মাঝে আমি একা নির্ভয়ে মহাবেশে মহাকাশে মহাকাল মাঝে আমি মানব একাকী ভ্রমি বিস্ময়ে মহাবেশে মহাকাশে মহাকাল মাঝে।
Hello, this is Shubhajit Chatterjee, an independent research associate of Asansol Heritage Research Group. At present, we are standing in front of the ruined bungalow of Prince Dwarakanath Tagore. Dwarakanath Tagore, the pioneer industrialist of West Bengal, he expanded his business for the coal, and in collaboration with William Carr, he set up the Carr Tagore and Company. After setting up Carr Tagore and Company, gradually the development of the extraction of coal started, and gradually it came towards setting up a company with Humphrey and Company in United Kingdom, and gradually the Bengal Coal Company was established. Now when Bengal Coal Company was established, Dwarakanath Tagore set up many bungalows, many quarters for the workers, and it is said that for the workers there were bungalows which were mostly the thatched roof type, whereas for the officials of the European ones there were bungalows made up of brick. A special headquarters was set up at Narayankuri, near Narayankuri, Nariganj, and here this is a kind of bungalow where Dwarakanath Tagore used to come and stay. At present, this area falls under the Eastern Coalfields Limited, and in this area, Dwarakanath Tagore is believed, as is said by the people to the Asansol Heritage Research Group, Dwarakanath Tagore used to come and stay here, and he used to supervise the works. There is a common conjecture that probably some point of time Rabindranath Tagore also came here and stayed here, though we do not confirm this whether it is true or not. But at present we are standing in front of Dwarakanath Tagore, and Asansol Heritage Research Group is trying hard to develop the condition of this place. Recently we had a talk with the ADDA, and they have Asansol Durgapur Development Authority, and they have assured us that they will definitely develop this place in collaboration with Eastern Coalfields Limited. Thank you. Asansol Heritage Research Group promises that though this bungalow cannot be saved, but one day definitely all the people around the world will know the contribution of Dwarakanath Tagore, and will remember Dwarakanath Tagore, who was forgotten almost. People of India needs to know the contribution. People of Raniganj only remembers him, and some people in Kolkata perhaps. But all of India, the industrialist, do they know this contribution of this man who was actually a pioneering industrialist? let us pledge forward to all so that we can at least do something for this great man. Now we are standing in front of the bust of Prince Dwarkanath Tagore, and as we can see that this is river Damodar, and this is the historical jetty ghat which Prince Dwarkanath Tagore established for the transportation of coal for Car Tagore and Company. There is a sign which mentions the existence of this jetty ghat, and if I take you to that side, around that side that jetty ghat used to exist, and once upon a time the boats used to be stationed there. After the workers extracted the coal was being transported through horse carriages, and these horse carriages used to wait there, and then the workers used to transport the coal through boat, and those boats used to take the coal to various other parts of Bengal. In his 175th death anniversary of Prince Dwarkanath Tagore, let us remember him through his contributions that he did towards the development of the coal industry in Bengal. At that time, we are talking about that time when the transportation system was not much developed. At that time, riverways and waterways were used. Coal was established in this area much earlier, but the successful transportation and successful commercialization of coal was started by Dwarkanath Tagore himself. So in his 175th death anniversary, I, being one of the members of Asansol Heritage Research Group, remembers him through his contributions. And as you can see that there is a bus that is being built. So, and we, the Asansol Heritage Research Group, along with the Narayankuri Heritage Committee, who looks after this jetty ghat, who looks after this place, have taken several steps in order to develop this place. If you look around all this place, then you could see a development that is going on here. Actually, a park is being set up. So this is all our effort. This is what we can do. When all the people in Bengal almost forgot Dwarkanath Tagore, here we, the Asansol Heritage Research Group, and the people of Narayankuri Heritage Committee, and the people of Raniganj are remembering him. are here at the office of the Bengal Coal Company, which was established by Prince Dwarkanath Tagore around 1836. Bengal Coal Company, all of you know, that was established in 1848 by Dwarkanath Tagore, and this office previously used to serve as the office of Dwarkanath Tagore for Car Tagore and Company, we can say. The first commercial venture into the coal industry was set up by Dwarkanath Tagore, and he managed all his business from here. He used to come here, and in this place he used to control all the activities. This is Old Egara, where this office is situated, and on the death anniversary of Dwarkanath Tagore, the 175th death anniversary of Dwarkanath Tagore, on behalf of Asansol Heritage, let us all remember him, because people of Old Egara remembers him, people of Raniganj remembers him, people of Narayankuri remembers him, but how many people apart from them remembers him? We forget. So it is just a tribute, and Asansol Heritage Research Group in this way will pay tribute towards the great man who was one of the leading pioneers in the industrial revolution of Bengal.